Dear all, for a person born in the zodiac sign the Libra as the ascendant, in his horoscope, if the Lord of the 10th house, the moon, if it is in the 5th house, the person would undertake his own traditional communal family job with a little amount of investment, with a little amount of efforts, and with no borrowings, but with a lot of profits and gains. Person born in Libra, the moon in the 5th house, success in profession.